Morning. Quick video message from Martin. Martin, hi. Good to chat yesterday. Thanks for buying another saw, the Danarm 55. So I'll start it one last time before we put it in the box and drain the fluids. So I'll start it with the bar and the chain on because the pull start is on the right hand side. You have to be ever so careful. If people start them without the bar in, you can twist the housing and then you can crack the pull start housing. So got to be careful of that. Okay, kill switch. Be interesting to see how she starts. Kill switch that way. Oh! Wow, she really does have great throttle response, and I wish I'd cut with her now. I hope you get on well with her, Martin. I hope she serves you well, and I hope we deal again very soon. Bye for now, sir.